All right, guys, we got an awesome product from Joysent. This is their pickleball set, and I'm super excited to get into it with you guys so you can see why we like it so much. So we partnered up with them. They have a couple cool features here in this product that I'm sure you're going to like. So if you're a pickleball player like we are, you may find yourself needing a new pickleball set. Why this one's super important is because, check out that bag, first and foremost. When you get a cream bag from any company, let's just go ahead and start that out. You're going to stand out like you should at the facility with this at all times, and that is what is awesome about pickleball. You can wear and be your own thing in any and all ways. So let's go ahead and crack open this case here. On the back, we're going to look at it. You got a nice strap, able to hold on to it, throw it over the shoulder, loosen it up however you want to. Get a little spot right here on the front, put a cell phone, maybe a bottle of water would fit in there, a small bottle of water, that would work as well. But let's go ahead and get into it so we can see what we are physically working with. So in the package itself, look at these cool colors. You got yellow and you got green balls. Just like that, you got a couple balls you can go out and go ahead and have a good time, so you don't have to wait on anybody to bring you anything. Let's go ahead and set those balls aside so we don't lose them. Right there, you got two of each. All right. Definitely digging that pastel-esque look of it. Now a little bit further in here, that's where the goods is going to happen. We're taking a look. We have two paddles. And check out these cool colors. You got this pink color. That's like that neon pink. This thing is coming with the heat when it comes to this. This is a 14 millimeter carbon fiber JT1 material by Joysent. You got a super nice thick, thick on the handle right there. No problems with that. Now, there was one more thing on the inside of this. Let's go ahead and open it up here so you can see what we are working with. Okay. You have a cool towel as well. They throw that in there because if you are out on the pickleball court, you are working up a crazy sweat, and you got the cool towel with the super cool aspect. This thing is awesome. You can stay cool with it, guaranteed it. But you guys are here for the pickleball stuff. That's what's so important. So let's go ahead and crack a couple balls, see what we're working with. That has a good sound to it. I have used quite a few paddles in my day for various reasons. Okay. And this thing has a really nice sound, and it definitely is going to do exactly what you want it to do. So you can get a little bit of English on there, have no problem. Don't mind that. Let's see if we got any difference with the yellow balls, and they are the same. But really nice handle, super easy grip. Let's go ahead and take off the plastic off the grip so we can see that a little bit better. All right, let's get that. You do got a little pull piece right here. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah. Nice leather grip right here. Oh yeah. Got even like almost like I don't want to say sticky, but it's grippy, right? I don't know how else to say that. It's definitely a grippy grip, which I'm definitely digging that. I'm sure it's gonna be nice, high quality over time. Not gonna wear off. You won't get any blue ink or pink ink on yourself, so nothing to worry about. I like this little extra thing up top that's holding down the grip, so you're not just going with like a piece of plastic or tape. And then, by the way, I don't know if you noticed, but this is USA Pickleball Approved, which is exactly what you need it to be, so that you can get out there and whip some butt and some pickleball. Guys, at the end of the day, you know what we always say? Check, check, check it out.